Today I'm making high protein snack that's extremely easy and fast to make. My name is Anira and I love food. If this is your first time here, I create videos of your favorite foods and desserts, allowing you to eat whatever you want, whenever you want, simply by counting calories. So whether you're looking for lower calorie options or simply want to see how to fit your favorite foods into your diets, you are in the right place. So hit that like and subscribe button and that bell notification so you don't miss out on any great recipes that will fit in your calorie budget. So I'm going to start with a blueberry Greek yogurt snack by adding a little bit of vanilla extract to the yogurt, cinnamon, that makes it a little bit sweeter, and I'm going to add blueberries. Now the key here is to make sure that you have very sweet, nice blueberries. If you don't get a good ones, then unfortunately this is not going to work out the way it actually does. If they are nice and sweet, this dessert I guarantee you won't need any sugar. And then another option is with strawberries, and because strawberries are a little bit more tart than blueberries, I'm going to add a little bit of a sweetener. I'm using here monk sweetener, but you can use regular sugar. A teaspoon, 2 teaspoons will give you 15 to 30 calories, so it's not a big of a deal if you would like to use a regular sugar. But strawberries will need some sweetness, extra sweetness, to actually make this little snack dessert better. So here is the sweetener that I like to use. It's MONKFRUIT, and I buy it in Costco, but you can find it on Amazon as well. I'm going to put the link below if you'd like to purchase. And I'm going to do the same thing with the yogurt for strawberries, which is cinnamon, vanilla extract for a little bit more flavor and sweetness. And with the strawberries, if you leave them for about 30 minutes or so, sometimes a little bit more, they release a lot of water, and that water is going to become very sweet, and that's exactly what you want for this little snack. So I'm going to just, for the fun of it, put it in layers. I'm going to alternate from strawberries to yogurts to strawberries. You can do whatever you want. It's completely optional, every single step. But it's very interesting how this yogurt, because it's a full-fat Greek yogurt and it's not as tart as regular yogurt or the non-fat Greek yogurt. You'd be surprised how this yogurt tastes, and even by not adding any sugar or minimal amount of sugar, you get that satisfaction of a really nice dessert or a snack. And this is just a simple, basic recipe. You can add, if you have more calories to spare, you can add nuts, granola, whatever you like. The interesting thing is that you really, if you have full fat yogurt, you do not have to add any sugar, any sweetness to it. That sugar, that sweetness in the strawberries is just enough. You'd be surprised how great it tastes. But make sure it's a full fat yogurt, Greek style. Enjoy.